Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still think we may be getting very close on the monthly weekly to being over with this wave 5. But when I say close, maybe 2, 3, 4 to 6, 8 candles away from ending this uptrend. And we're talking about monthly and weekly time frame candles. So it potentially could be maybe 6 months or more before this trend is actually over. Going down to the weekly time frame, I'm still very bullish. It did make an impulsive move down, but it never broke any structure. Never really gave us any reason at all to think that this uptrend is over. And really, to me, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably in a wave 5 of wave 5 right now. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now, like I've been saying for quite a while now, this possibly is a wave A. This move up is possibly a wave B, and it would be completely normal looking if it went down and made a wave C before it continued up. But I'm not really convinced that that's going to happen. I'm more convinced that this is a 1, a 2, a 3. I think we may already have a complete wave 4, especially looking at other yen pairs. I think there's a decent possibility that this is going to just keep on going up, making a new high, probably a wave 5 of wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, definitely no reason to think that this is going down. We are definitely making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And the only thing that would turn me into a seller is seeing a Fibonacci bounce, seeing that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of every trend, seeing a break of structure. That is what would turn me into a seller, and that is what would prove to me that this is a wave B, this is a wave A, and that it's going down for a wave C. I would have to see this picture right here to turn into a seller, because I think there's a better chance that it may just bounce from a fib and continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up, which is why I will be looking for longs only on the shorter time frames until I see this picture, or if I don't see that picture, I'll just keep on looking for longs. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looking for longs, and I 100% wouldn't try to go long now. In the future, if it does make another pullback, which this was a beautiful correction right there, 1, 2, 3. Even this back here was another 1, 2, 3 pattern. So I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 pullbacks on the 1 hour range of time frames. I'm looking for 3 waves down. I'm looking for impulsive up to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I said, it could be a wave C of wave B, but I definitely would be very cautious in thinking that, because it may be more likely that it just keeps on making those higher highs and higher lows. So don't forget to check out my membership. Well, first of all, don't forget to check out my Discord channel, which is 100% free, link down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list over here from top to bottom every single day. Also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.